488 Queen Street. Lifts. Oh, John's Harry. He's already looked modernised. Door prize original. They're modernising these twice again. Doesn't appear to have call cancel. Oh God, please have reception. Thank God. Lucky. Not even that good. Cab. This cab looks new. On real estate said they're going to get new lifts and have pictures of these lifts on the photos. Unless they're wrong. Definitely John's Perry's or John's Wiggins. Yeah, who knows? These might stay or they might go. We'll see. If they go, then I think that's pretty ridiculous because these look have new controls and everything. I feel like